All right, so the other day I don't know if you've seen that guy. I can't remember his name now. I have to look it back up. But he goes, "What? No way!" He's a really cool guy. I was watching him, and he restored some plastic on like a bumper that was faded and all that. You know, you can always put like rubber dressing on like that ABS, that plastic, that textured plastic. You know, a lot like the mirrors on Chevrolet truck or whatnot. But he used a torch and brought it back to life. Let me show you what I got going on. Let's get our old torch fired up here. Woo! Back her down a notch. So let's see. So we just heated it up, and I guess the oil's in it. It's supposed to go back to... Come on. Really? Real light. You don't want to melt it. Really? Look at that. There's a little scratch in front of the rubber. Be real careful on this and put the flame away from the rubber, maybe. What? No way. That does a lot. Like, it's there. It's still noticeable. Just try to fade it out like we were painting it. Get a little lighter and a little lighter. See how that does. I don't know. What do you think? I mean, almost the minor ones. Gosh. That's crazy. I don't know if I'll replace it now. Put a little bit of rubber dressing in there now. I mean, you could see it if you look for it, but I mean, it's not a deep gouge. It's more like a surface deal. Wow. There you go. Learn something every day.